All right, this is the DEERC FX9635 RC aircraft. This thing looks absolutely fantastic. Let's get it out of the box. That is some more detail on what this does. There. This is your remote control, so there is a lot on there. And I love how they list some of the stuff on there that it does. Pretty cool. So this is the aircraft. This is absolutely crazy looking. Look at this thing. Okay. So you get 2 batteries to maximize your flight. So we'll get. Okay, so we have the nose cone that's here. So that kind of like fits on there. Place there. Then over and into place here as well. Then you got your charger and your landing gear and stuff in here. So let's get that out. So that's your charger. We'll get the batteries charging real quick. Then you got some landing gear pieces. Okay. There we go. Cool. That's where your fan goes. So the air goes in there, blows out there. Very cool. And then your battery compartment is up here. And then it does come with a tube of glue, because what you are doing is these rear rudder pieces, they have a kind of a slight curve to them, so you can kind of match them up to the side that you need. And then we just glue them into place, and then we are good to go for our test flight. So hang on.
Okay, here we go.